And what better way to share in the end of an awesome day than by sharing a game of bowling? Yeah, football plus bowling. And Fowling Warehouse has 70,000 square feet of it. This is local owner Sam Hubbard to explain what, when, why, and how this sport came to be. All right, dude, so who came up with this?
There was a guy in Michigan. His name is Chut, funny enough.
Chut? I like that name,
close.
Yeah.
They were tailgating. They were actually bowling. And a football came along, knocked over the pins, and they said, there is something to this.
The rules are pretty straightforward. The first team to knock down the other team's pins wins. But then there's this thing called the bonk.
So I could hit this red pin on my first throw.
But only that one, right?
Only that one. That's called a bonk.
All right.
That's an instant win. You get to blow the bonk horn.
Game over.
Game over.
All right. Seems next to impossible. Does this actually happen?
At least once a day. Yeah.
Well, let's play a little game. You
right.
run down there.
Absolutely.
Well, time to get schooled by the expert. Can I catch the ball?
Yeah, if it goes behind that yellow line.
Behind the yellow line.
Behind the yellow line.
You can stop it.
Absolutely.
Gonna hit some pins at some point? I mean.
Shut it. I'm just getting warmed up, guys. Just give me a moment. Oh, that felt good.
Now just aim for the front of the board. There you go.
Oh, I'll take it. One pin wonder right here.
Come on. Not quite. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Settle down. All right. Maybe the hat was throwing off my balance. That's got to be it.
There you go.
Again.
You're a regular Dak Prescott.
Yeah.
Come on, come on.
Oh,
right,
nice.
One.
Oh! Now we're getting somewhere. Is this the sports sensation sweeping the nation? Maybe soon, because who doesn't love a little friendly competition?
This is catastrophic.
If I could juggle, I'd be back here juggling. Yes, all forms of distraction are allowed. Oh, no! Oh! Aikman! Oh! Y'all are next. All that trash talk from the sidelines, it ends now. Oh, it's a showdown now. That's why I put you on the team. Well, maybe not. You know what? Fair, we didn't give y'all a warm-up.
Now we need a bonk here.
Oh. It's bonk time, baby. Oh, bonk! No! Okay. All right, Casey. Oh! Oh! Laser accuracy! Woo, woo. You got this. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, oh.
Hey! No. Penalty,
Nothing.
penalty.
Come on. Oh, no. Not Daniel. Oh.
All right, let's see about this.
Let's go.
See what you cost us. Get your head in the game. Man, this sport is incredibly fun. I think cornhole better be put on notice. Oh! Oh!
Recall.
Hey,
Recall.
line them up, do it again. Rematch. To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.